Okay folks, what I have for you here today is a mission style arts and crafts grandfather clock. This clock was made from the New Yankee Workshop drawings by Norm Abrams. It was actually a TV show in 2004, season 16, episode 5, if you want to look it up. New Yankee Workshop, 2004, season 16, episode 5. It's very well done, very well stained. We believe it's oak. And down the side of the case. Very unique clock. Not something you see every day. So if you're looking for something new, a little unique and a little bit in the mission style, this is probably the clock for you. Case is all in very nice condition. And it is wider at the bottom than it is at the top. It's got a nice little taper to it. It's 81.5 inches tall, just for reference. It does have brass weights and a brass pendulum, and this door, you can take this panel out and put glass in if you so wish. In fact, we have a picture that came with the clock. This is Mr. Abrams himself. I actually took a picture of it, put it in the description. It's a little hard to see, but and there's the clock with the glass panel in the door rather than the wood. Weights are in decent shape. They do have some blemishes on them in the back. Nothing I don't feel needs to be attended to, because even if you put glass in it, put the blemishes in the back, can't see them, and there's no mirror in this, so you don't have to worry about that. Pendulum's in very nice shape. Dial's all in very nice shape. Comes with a second-hand sweeper. This is a triple chime. So you have Whittington, St. Michael, and Westminster, and you have the silent option, which will silence the clock. I'll let you hear the chimes. It's got a nice tone to it. It's not too loud. Nice hinges in the clock. You know, whoever did it, according to Abrams' drawings, did a good job. I don't believe this is the original from the show. I highly doubt that, but whoever built it really nice. Again, if you're seeing this someplace other than our website, it's clocksbychristopher.com. My name is Dave. My direct phone number is 207-412-0189, and we do ship pretty much all over the country. So, have any questions, give me a call or email us at chris@clocksbychristopher.com. And there you have it.